Today I'm going to show you guys how to put some new ringtones on your iPhone or iPhone 3G. Alright, you're going to need a jailbroken iPhone for this, so let's get started. I'm going to cut these lights so you can see a little better. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is go right into Cydia. You're gonna, if you have Wi-Fi, you're gonna want to be using your Wi-Fi for this because it'll go faster. Alright, when you open Cydia, it might take a little bit to load, or it might have to download some new things. If it does, just let it go. Alright, here we are. Now you want to go over to the tab on the bottom that says Sections. And you want to scroll down to the section that says Ringtones. Now here's going to be like a bunch of pre-made ones. This is the first way I'm going to show you. So, in here there's not very many good ones, but there's still a good bit of them. For this demo, I'm gonna download the Boots and Hose ones from Step Brothers. So you're gonna click on it, click install, confirm, let it download. Alright, then you're going to hit return to Cydia. You're going to go home. You're going to go over to the settings. You're going to click on the one that says Sounds, Ringtones. Then you're going to find the new one you got. Click on it. Yeah, it'll play it then, and you get to hear it and also select it to be your ringtone. So for this version, you could only use ringtones that were pre-made, but I'll be making another video real soon that'll show you how to make your own or show you how to access a bigger library. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped at all, please subscribe.